Yeah, I just got out of this trade. Was actually a win, little win, but still a win. So yeah, just go over it quick. 4 hour, we were in an uptrend still. We hadn't broken structure to the downside. Get rid of that. Yeah, no break structure to the downside, so still looking for longs. 1 hour, we were in a downtrend, so that means we were looking for trades on the 5 minute. Market opened, came down, swept these lows, and then we disrespected bearish order flow. So with this inverse of the fair value gap. So that was good enough for me to carry on going higher. However, we did have news at 1:30, so I had to wait until after. Yeah. We also had an SMT here on EU, so yeah, loads of compromises to go higher. Came down, came into equilibrium. Oh no, wait. Equilibrium here, and this order block here. So yeah, loads of confidence to go higher. Because there were loads of confidence to go higher, I wanted to refine my entry down on the 1 minute. So yeah, where was 1:30? 1:30 was here. So after this happened, I wanted to wait for a break of structure to the upside on the 1 minute coming out of this, not this, coming out of this order block here. Yeah, tapped into that, broke structure on this candle. I entered off of this fair value gap, getting hit here, here. Yeah, first take profit was only at a it was like 1 to 0.7. However, it was the previous session high, so that was pretty much the main draw of liquidity for me. That always is the main draw of liquidity, the previous session high. So yeah, tell you what, we could have taken a trade after this as well. To be fair, if we wanted to do that, but yeah, hit this TP, stopped off at break even. So that is three wins in a row at the moment, even though they're only small wins, still wins. 3 out of the last four, 3 in a row. So yeah, getting there, slowly building a little consistency. I am quite liking getting these. I've usually kept the rule of having a 1-to-1 at least, but I do quite like the idea of making sure we are locking in the profits, especially if the draw is so obvious of previous session highs. And we did the same thing yesterday. I don't have it drawn up, but yeah, you can go look at that video. But yeah, so yeah, pretty decent trade. Not much I could say about it. Price didn't want to go higher, and that's okay. We still hit our targets. And yeah, let's see if we could have had a little entry off of this. So 4 hour is still in an uptrend, so you would want to take it on the 5 minute. Swept out previous session highs, change that to black for liquidity. Yeah, looks like it would have been a decent trade. Break a structure here, sweep here, break a structure here, put that in red. And then we could have gone down to the 1 minute to look for confluences. It is a bit choppy. It's not the most pretty looking price action. What could have we done here? Tell you what, we could have done it off of this breaker. Entered off of this breaker block here. Let's draw that out, see what that looks like. Oh, do you know what? That is a fair value gap as well. It's a very tiny fair value gap, but it's still fair value gap. So let's say we entered on that, stop loss above here, and then targeted these lows. That's a 2.6. Could have set our first TP here, and then yeah, it would have been a dub. Could have been a decent little day today if I took that, but you know, I was happy to get in and out of the trade. Yeah, maybe I would have taken that if I carried on watching the thingies, the market. But yeah, still up on the day. What are we on our account now? Hit 98k, just over 98k, and that's since I've been tracking my trades. 3 out of 4 wins. So another six more trades, and then I'll be able to see where I'm at with my trading. I can get like a good little win percentage, and if it's 60%, we go for a funded account. So yeah, stay tuned for that. See what's happening with that, and yeah, good things, all good things. Catch you in a bit.